Hey guys, today we're gonna make sausage McGriddle muffins. I saw this recipe from Kelly Cooks Texas, but I think she got the recipe from another creator. I want to say her name is J. Lo Donahue, maybe. I may be messing that up. If those creators are on the platform that this is posted on, I will try to tag them to give them credit for this recipe. First thing you want to do is go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And now I'm going to brown up a pound of sausage. Now while your sausage is browning, you're going to go ahead and mix up your pancake mix. So you just want to use any kind of ready-made pancake mix where you just add water. I'm going to add in 2 1/4 cups of pancake mix and 1 1/3 cup water. I know, time. Yeah. Music. And it'll be Price is Right in 30 minutes. You want to watch Price is Right? I hope we can get these done in 30 minutes and we'll sit down and eat once Price is Right. I know, will that be good? Now I'm going to add 1/2 cup of pure maple syrup. In a separate bowl, I'm going to go ahead and crack in 4 eggs. Add just a maybe teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of water. So I'm going to go ahead and take my sausage out and drain it on a paper towel. Alright, you want to make sure you lower the heat on your skillet. And I'm going to go ahead and add in my eggs. There's just a little bit, just a tiny little bit of grease in there. And that's plenty for me to do my eggs. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my eggs and just cook them for just a couple of minutes. You don't want to cook them real hard because you're going to cook them again in the oven. You want to stir the eggs? Okay. And stir them around. I know that sausage. Here you go, you want to hold on to the handle? Here you go. There you go, now you can hold the handle. We gotta stir it around real good. Good job, Erin. Good job. Good job. Alright, so I've got my pancake batter. So I'm gonna dump in my sausage. I'm going to dump in my eggs. So we're adding in our eggs. I'm going to give that a quick mix to kind of cool all that off a little bit. And now we're going to add in a cup of cheddar cheese. You can use whatever cheddar you like. I like sharp cheddar. I'm not going to measure this. I probably put in more than a cup, but we like cheese, so you're just going to mix this all together. Now I have a muffin pan that I have lightly sprayed with cooking spray. So now you're going to go ahead and evenly divide your mixture into your 12 muffin tins. I have filled up my muffins. They're pretty full, and I have a little bit of batter left, so I'll be able to get more than 12, maybe 14, 15 out of this. So I'm fixing to throw this into my 400 degree oven, cook it for about 18 minutes. Every oven's different, so just keep a check on it. Here they are right out of the oven. They look great. Mine cooked, that's hot. Mine cooked 21 minutes because I filled mine pretty full, so I let them cook just a few extra minutes. Let me show you what we're serving our muffins with. This is my son's plate. So this is how they turned out. They look great. Now I will say I cooked mine in a silicone muffin pan, so that's why mine looks so light around the side. If you love them more brown, I'd cook them in a metal pan. But this is my son's plate, so he's gonna have 2 with an apple, and then I have a yogurt here, an Oikos Greek yogurt, and I added some cinnamon and just a little bit of maple syrup to it to make it just a little sweet for him to have an apple dip. So there's his plate. And this is my plate. So I've got 2 muffins and I've got some watermelon and cantaloupe for the taste test. That looks pretty good. That is really good. They're very moist. And they're not overly sweet. It's just that little hint of maple syrup. And you can taste the sausage, and I can taste the egg, and I can taste the cheese. They almost remind you of a sausage ball, kind of in muffin form. And I love sausage balls, so these are a hit. I think they're great. All right, Aaron's gonna try a bite. He's already been playing outside this morning, so he's a mess, but he's ready to eat. All right, you wanna try a bite? They're hot, okay? Okay, you ready for your bite? All right, let's try it. I know. Is it good? All right, you ready for your plate? All right, be careful. Aaron approved, and Aaron doesn't even like eggs. So that's a good way to sneak some eggs in. So thank you guys for the recipe. I hope this inspires y'all to make it. Hope it gives y'all some good ideas. And I will see you guys next time.